Hi, welcome back to my channel. Ngasi akhoi si video si the plastic surgery habse keino and plastic surgeon habse kanano habse si batang da discussion na changam to say. So plastic surgery habse yamna misunderstood branch amo oi. MBBS tambalu ba mi sing na su khangdaba kya yawi plastic surgery batang da ai ishamak na su MBBS lawyer matang da plastic surgery da tawri se keino habse ai phajana su khangamde. So plastic have a word sigi actual meaning se molding have ne semdok semjin yaba have gumbani. So plastic surgery have ga khoi plastic materials seasonal operation to bonate. For example, breast implant, nose implant, sumaina chin implant, sumaina poda mahapaga operation to plastic surgery have nate khoi kinom alter to shape form siguma semdok pose. So plastic surgery is a khoi na tawriba thabak se kai no have hand surgery, khud sokpa, khud ki muscle, nerve, tendons, arteries, veins, each and every single ka sigum bagi operation macha sok pagi natra kenam semdok pagi apong mamalok thok pagi singli ka sohan dana malok thok pamu soft tissue tumor, skin, fat, nerves, the muscle sigum bagi apong ba cancer, skin cancer, head and neck cancer, swagi lay lips ki swagi cancer gumatawba sigumbagi laktokpa cancer tawbra natraga soaga lakthoba matungda amuk reconstruct tawba mananaba saba se si amuk plastic surgery ki a major part amani. Plastic surgery have a branch sigi adudagi khoi breast surgery cosmetic purpose natraga khoi gi reconstruction oibagi zu tawi. Then cosmetic surgery have not only face, nose, eyes khatang nate breast ki zu, puk ki zu, fat ki zu, and sumaine mayam ama tawi. And this is the topa khoi birth defects jiban kai bangau kai ba khut ka samjana popa sumaina birth defects. So this just example khara amani dang panbai wane ati burns patient maina chapa khutba sigumbai se. And then injuries accident topa swagi bone gi fractures is plastic surgery na yengi. And then khoi gi khong sokpa khotpa thang na tatpa chain da chappa machine da chakkiba khutse yari gai hana gi best function room da purak na ba adugi operation majam sa to imam do akuppa thabak hai tare ko majam haraga akuppa thabak hai si imam se plastic surgery ta way. And even kidney failure patient ki AV fistula sem ba na artery go vein ga samna ba gi operation na male du su ta way. So sidi aina just example khara pan bane aina hazi hai ho da ba topic kya no masu conditions kya no masu layri. Now okay degrees kai ko we have the plastic and reconstructive surgery ko we kamaina or ke khoi plastic surgeon or pose first MBBS tamani MBBS tamma matung da khoi se PG tamani PG se mayam na khangna ba yam common or basina MS general surgery tamani MS general surgery chahi ahum tamani adui matungda MCH plastic and reconstructive surgery haina super specialty exam ne MBBS changa matungda pekha tharaga NEET PG exam tharaga hojiki PG tamani NEET PG exam ki matungda amuk super specialty NEET super specialty haina NEET SS haina adu tharaga khoi hojiki MCH plastic and reconstructive surgery tamani. Same NEET exam gi through the not only hojiki MS and MCH akhoi DNB zulai DNB general surgery haina sisina akhoi board khenaba Manipur board ICSE CBSE board ki type ta but adum equal oiba degree ne adudagi DNB hojiki NEET super specialty exam do PG lora ka tawdo aduda amuk DNB plastic surgery zulai. So DNB general surgery lora ga plastic surgery DNB oigira MCH oigira tamgi ai MS general surgery loega plastic surgery do DNB oigira MCH tamgira adu oibi adu college to depend the way mafam the hospital da course no magi do DNB or MBI MCH or MBI magi rank to gi matung ina manal tamning mafam na khallaga tambi. And another option amusle MBBS loega direct 6 years NEET PG exam to be through the 6 years plastic surgery DNB course to wa mafam kharzulai so sumain taroga plastic surgeon oibi. So in short almost 12 years ki total training oidone mara ki gap labor chai thabak taw bana traga gap labor chahi count taw da bida direct tamagazu MBBS ki almost 6 years, then PG, and then hojiki super specialty tambagi total 6 years oidoni. And experience ki hairagadi akhoi working experience, teaching experience, internship gumda thidabida proper thabak tawba anaba yengba operation tawba OPD phamba in anaba ke ga senaba khonaba simyam ji sigi experience ngari full training bra hardcore training ne sida wa ba khangdagi tum da numit ke yaw gai adum every day Sunday ga is late chahi amda almost numit khardang ne khoina ga chattaba yawrise aduzu na harakanda natra ke nam yam important event am le kana natra daily ne chalise si se 6 years full training tawraba oidoine not only in plastic surgery super specialty tawraba subject khudingi ne in 6 years oidoise urology neurosurgery pediatric surgery CTVS medicine side and cardiology endocrinology infectious diseases pulmonary medicine mayam subject mayam am jilai ri aine sidai pandala just example ye oina haibani so akoina plastic surgery tamena aina tamakpa mafam duga aina phangpa opportunity duga khena gani Hyderabad ta tamakpa mi amaga mana phangpa opportunity khina ni Chennai da tamakpa mi na adalakpa case load gi matung ina mi gi experience khena gani adu su government na si makti haitabu ya de habigi charapa ma adu yenga bani and then exam ga tawdana theory exam tawdana practical exam tawdana mapan lam gi teachers laga mapan lam gi doctors laga exam do conduct tawraga moise yare oiba yare na exam ga pass tawnari ni adugo differences like bahidi for example aina eyelid surgery Asian blepharoplasty se hen hai agi counterpart ma Hyderabad ta lebi ma di sumtong toram da bi ai ada yam toina tawba high speed accident swagi nerves ka sokpa khotpa sigumba jina moi ada yam toin toy sina aina khara tangna thengni hand injury gumba di adum sidasu adasu chamana thengnaramgani head and neck cancer sina amuk Tata Memorial da tamba plastic surgeon hen every day engangani akoina zu yengi akoina kitang lower numbers ta yengi haibu wani moi ga compare to gadi moi di every day adugum operation ama ni dum torobani so smile to dana plastic surgery gi course sign to bane and any other course ki matang da anything regarding MBBS, PG tambagi pre-clinical subjects, paraclinical subjects, clinical subjects, and atopa kay branches like kawain tambiyay sigumba information je khani ngadi comments sa habiro dum mayam interested or gadi sigumba video messenger ke so see videos the conclusion the in hiding is that plastic surgery has a cosmetic surgery khatang nate yam broad over branch ne akoina tammiba akoina practice toiba akoina training toiba operation se mayam pariba lights zu makhan mayam amane sida just mit khadang semba tamagal lapanate or kuchopo khopang tang mamanate amazu hainaba dum day and night operations mayam torga is how to train taropane and training durations is why 6 years to one company do see just information ama oina thamning bagi same mane si video se thank you so much for watching see you in the next one bye